Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. For the new people tuning in, today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright, so I already did one eye off camera and I also did my eyebrows off camera. Today I used something different for my eyebrows. I used the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. Mine is in the shade 4. So for my eyes, I used like a combination, pretty much like 2 shades from here. This one is the Morphe Stunning Vibes 35V palette. It's a really beautiful palette. So I just used 2 shades. It was this one and this one. First shade I'm gonna go into is Vixen, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna add that to the crease. Next shade I'm gonna take is Spice, which is this one right here. I'm also gonna take it in a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium. And I'm just gonna use a brow brush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the Artist Couture Illuminati Diamond Glow powder, and I'm gonna put that wherever the concealer is. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take that Spice color again, blend both of these together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use this glitter eyeliner. I'm gonna put it wherever the crease cut ends. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. For the primer, I'll be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And I'm sorry if you guys can see the shade back here, but it's because I have the window open, because that's what you see. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Smashbox Studio Skin. I'm gonna see what shade fits me. I got 2 samples, so I want to see how it goes together with my skin. That's the reason why I didn't purchase it. I think this one is the shade 2.35. Let's see how this fits. Might not be that one. Let's see this other one. But you know what? This one looks like it oxidizes, so I'll probably just do this one. So I've heard really good things about this foundation, but it seems like it's not working so well with the primer. Alright, so I have mixed emotions about this foundation. Like I said, I don't know if it is the primer, if it just doesn't work well with the beauty blender. I don't know. And this is like really full coverage too. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with concealer with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Mine is in the shade light medium. So to bake, I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar 147 Mad About It. So I'm going to take the same translucent powder and add that to the rest of my face to set it. So I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium deep, and I'm going to bronze with that. So for blush, I'm going to take the Amazonian Clay. This is from Tarte and it's the shade Partey. Now I'm going to go to the bottom lash line. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the shade Vixen and add that to the bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna go in with Spice and take that a little bit closer to the lash line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. So I feel like the bronzer is not doing too much for me right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with my trusty MAC Give Me Sun. So before I go in with highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Essence Super Precise Liner. So while my lashes dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some highlighter. So I'm gonna go into the Artist Couture Illuminati Diamond Glow Powder. So now I'm just gonna set my face again. Alright guys, so I put on my lashes and I did my mascara. For mascara, I did the same combo, the Too Faced Better Than Sex and then the Essence Lash Effect. These are my two favorite mascaras at the moment. And for lips, I used the lip liner Bite Me and then the Fenty Beauty, this is Unveil, this one right here. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload. And I will see you on the next one. Bye!